Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to access and use blocks from sample files. Blocks are one of the most powerful productivity tools in AutoCAD because they allow you to reuse predefined objects instead of redrawing the same elements repeatedly. Many professionals rely heavily on blocks for things like furniture layouts, electrical symbols, doors, windows, mechanical components, and architectural details. AutoCAD even includes built-in sample files containing reusable blocks that can help beginners practice or speed up drafting workflows. A block is a reusable collection of objects grouped into a single component. Instead of drawing the same object repeatedly, you can insert the block whenever needed. Blocks help save time, maintain consistency, reduce repetitive drafting, and simplify editing workflows. One block can be reused hundreds of times across multiple drawings. Start by opening AutoCAD. At the top left, click the AutoCAD button. Under the AutoCAD menu, click Open. Inside Open, go to Sample Files. Next, click Installed Sample Files. Why this section exists. This area stores locally installed AutoCAD examples and reusable resources already included with the software. Once the installed files open, click EN-US. What EN-US means. This usually refers to the English language resource folder for AutoCAD sample content. Inside that folder, open Design Center. What the Design Center does. The Design Center helps users browse reusable drafting content such as blocks, layers, styles, layouts, and external references. Now you can access and choose different blocks from the available sample resources. What you'll find. Depending on the sample files installed, you may see architectural symbols, mechanical objects, furniture layouts, and standard drafting elements. Choose the block you like, then click Open. What happens next? The block file opens so you can view and access the block components. Now select the block objects you want and copy them. Blocks are reusable drawing components, so they can easily be transferred between drawings. Go to the drawing where you want to use the block, then paste recopied blocks there. The blocks become part of your active drawing and can now be moved, scaled, rotated, and reused further. What you just did. You accessed AutoCAD sample resources, opened reusable block libraries, copied predefined drafting components, and imported them into your own drawing. You used AutoCAD's built-in reusable design system instead of drafting everything manually. To summarize, accessing and using blocks from sample files in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and clicking the AutoCAD button at the top left. From there, selecting Open, then Sample Files, and then Installed Sample Files gives access to the included AutoCAD resources. Inside the EN-US folder, opening the Design Center allows you to browse different reusable blocks. After selecting and opening a block file, you can choose the blocks you want, copy them, and paste them into your preferred drawing for use in your project. And that's how to access and use blocks from sample files in AutoCAD. The biggest advantage of blocks is that they turn repetitive drafting into reusable systems, which is one of the reasons professional CAD workflows become dramatically faster over time. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.